Hello guys, welcome back to S&B Diaries. Today we're in the county of Shropshire. We're going to explore Albrighton Garden Centre, which is right behind me. Part of the British gardencentres.com, etc. And then we go on to herbaceous perennials with plant pots. Lovely selection of pruned roses. Still got to be careful because of frosts. Look at these cleverly made bears, sitting bears. Got a wide selection of outdoor shrubs and plants, climbers, and potted plants. And your alpines. Then we have a covered area, all your gardening needs, pots, plants, tools, etc, etc. All covered up, everything's come out very early this year. Types of primrose. Polyanthus. Get the colour on that. Gorgeous. Mixed pansies. Primrose. And then we're going to head on indoors. It's a great little garden centre. Got everything that you want for your wildlife, pets, gardening tools, herbicides, pesticides, garden paint, everything you need. In this section they're just getting ready for spring and summer, getting all the outside garden ornaments and decorations ready. And down there leads into the restaurant, and there's a regatta. Get all your outdoor clothing and sportswear. I forgot to say they do a really nice carvery in the restaurant, and next to it there's a soft play area for the children. Here you can buy your bulbs. They've got them all out already. 2 for $12 or $6.99 for one. Your onion sets and your potatoes already. Plenty of seeds. And then we head into the gifts and toys section. So thanks for watching our little tour around Albrighton Garden Centre here in the county of Shropshire. So all the best guys, and hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.